In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a TradingView free trial efficiently and without any hassle. Whether you've subscribed to TradingView through their website or a mobile app, I'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth cancellation. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to prevent any unwanted charges once your trial period expires. First, let's start with web-based subscriptions. Begin by logging into your TradingView account on their website. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page where your profile picture is located. Clicking on this will bring down a drop-down menu. Here you need to select the Settings and Billing option. This is where you'll manage your subscription details. When the Settings and Billing page opens, head over to the Subscriptions section. In this section, you will see a Cancel Trial button. Click on this to initiate the cancellation process. Once you've clicked the button, TradingView might prompt you with a series of steps to confirm your cancellation. Sometimes they may offer a deal or ask for feedback on why you're choosing to cancel. Whether you're looking for savings or improvements in the service, feel free to provide your reasons. Finally, make sure to complete the process by following through any additional prompts they present. Now, if you subscribe to TradingView via a mobile app, whether on an iOS or Android device, let's walk through those steps. For both platforms, the process begins similarly by opening the settings on your mobile device or directly navigating to the App Store. On an iOS device, tap on your Apple ID and go to the Subscriptions section in the App Store settings. On an Android device, open the Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon, and go to the Payments and Subscriptions menu where you can manage all your active subscriptions. In either case, search for your TradingView subscription within this section. Once located, select the option to cancel the auto-renewal. This action will effectively end the trial once the current period concludes. You won't face further charges beyond this point, though you'll retain access until the end of your current trial period. Here are some essential points to remember. Canceling your trial today prevents automatic renewal, so you won't have to worry about future billing. Importantly, you'll still have full access to TradingView until the trial period ends. Keep in mind that every user is entitled to only one trial period per account. Also, note that rates and billing cycles for subscriptions purchased on mobile may vary from those purchased on the web. By following these steps, you'll ensure a seamless cancellation of your TradingView free trial without any unwelcome surprises. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.